Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to take apart your Xbox Series X or X controller, and this is very easy to do. Now, you don't need a Torx screwdriver to accomplish this, but you will need like a 2.5mm flathead, and then also a plastic piece like this would be very beneficial because we have to pop off these plastic side panels right here. All you have to do is pop it in right here, and then create some separation. So to pop off the side panel here, I prefer using a plastic piece so it doesn't damage the plastic outside shell. And then I kind of like feed it in here and then try to get in this little gap right here because we need to create some separation in here first to pop off the side panels here. And then feed it into the side. And then I'm going to go through the entire side here, and then I should just be able to take it off. So let's see if I can pop it off right now. So there's quite a bit of separation, and I just peeled it off. So it could take you a minute to pop that off, or it could take you like 15 seconds. Then let's take off the battery pack here. Remove the two batteries. Then right under this little Xbox wireless controller plastic piece, there will be one screw that we want to go ahead and remove. So let's get our screwdriver here, and then just expose this. So it should be located right about here. You can feel it with your thumb. So just peel this back, and you can see the little screw in here. I believe it is a 2.5mm screwdriver or a flathead. Or if you are using Torx, you have T9. And this is what I'm using. And it seems to be doing the job pretty well. T9 times 50mm. So let's just remove the center screw. And then there's two screws right here on each side. So 5 total. So let's remove all these screws. Alright, so here is my last screw. And then I'm going to go ahead and just pop off this cover. And this cover comes off relatively easy. All you have to do is hold on to it and then peel back. And then you can separate it from the actual board here. Now, these motors on the bottom pop off, so be careful with these if you're going to flip over your controller. So if you turn it around, those might fall off on you. And then you can see the entire inside of the controller, and you can feed through the thumbsticks here, and you can remove the top cover as well here if you really want to do that. And then you can see your thumbsticks, and then all the different buttons on here. So hopefully this quick little video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.